In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use BCC in Outlook. BCC stands for Blind Carbon Copy, and it's a powerful feature that lets you send emails to multiple recipients without them seeing each other's addresses. This is perfect for maintaining privacy, sending mass emails professionally, or keeping certain recipients hidden from the main conversation. If you're managing a business, sending newsletters, or just want to keep your contact list private, this tutorial will help you do it the right way. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open Outlook and look at the top left corner. Just under the ribbons, you'll see a button labeled New Mail. Click on it to open a fresh email composition window. Once the new email window opens, you'll notice the standard To and CC fields at the top. But the BCC field isn't visible by default, so we need to enable it. To do this, click on the Options ribbon at the top of the email window. This ribbon contains various settings and tools for customizing your email. In the Options ribbon, look for a button or toggle labeled Show BCC. Click on it to enable the BCC field. Once you do this, you'll see the BCC field appear right below the CC field in your email. Now you can start adding recipients. In the To field, enter the main recipient's email address. This is the person you're directly addressing. Then, in the BCC field, enter the email addresses of anyone you want to receive the email without the other recipients knowing. You can add multiple BCC addresses by separating them with semicolons or commas. Next, fill in the subject line with a clear and relevant topic for your email. This helps recipients understand what the email is about before they open it. After that, move down to the message body and type the content you wish to deliver. Make sure your message is clear, professional, and appropriate for all recipients. Once you've reviewed everything and you're satisfied with your email, click the Send button. Your email will now be sent to all recipients in the To, CC, and BCC fields, but only the BCC recipients will remain hidden from everyone else. And that's it. You've successfully used BCC in Outlook to send emails privately and professionally. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.